guys? Welcome to another live stream. Another New York live stream. Got here a little bit later. Computer was having some problems. I don't know why. It's like lagging and stuff like that. And I think it's because I got a second monitor. It's having some problems, so trying to fix it. Still not fixed. So as we can see, candles keep breaking the highs. So we keep forming this sort of a ladder formation of creating an intraday high, having a pullback, breaking it again, having a pullback, breaking it again. So what I see now is that we're kind of creating that same pattern. And if we start going to the lower time frames, we start seeing it happening more real time. As we can see, yesterday we formed this range here. We were all throughout New York session, we were here. We did get to reach this target that we anticipated yesterday, but then as soon as we got to this, we had this pullback, but also expected to continue. And after that, candles did break above this, having enough liquidity, and after having enough liquidity to break throughout this intraday high that we made. So right now, if I'm looking for something, it's for buys. I'm looking for buys because just so how the candles are setting up. This hour is still open, and the 30-minute just closed bullish, but we did have a reaction here to this zone here, so I will watch that out. I will watch to see what happens, and I'll wait and see if we could be respecting also this level here. So as we can see, when you go to the lower time frames, it is making a really nasty range here. Candles keep like trying to go up, but also keep rejecting, and it doesn't look pleasing right now. It doesn't look. Right now, I honestly don't have a direction. I mean, I know that there's a high chance of us keep going down just because of how the market is and how we are just still trending mostly bullish. So, well, completely bullish. So I am expecting for us to keep breaking highs and keep making new highs in the intradays. Okay guys, so I'm only gonna be streaming today till like around 8:30, 8:40, maybe till 9. I really don't like how the market is looking today. Also, I am withdrawing my profits today, and so I'm not really trading today. I don't need to. So yeah, it's gonna be a quick one. I wanna cover some little things, some little things I wanna talk about and things like that. And other than that, yeah, let's get started. And either way, if I see a trade, if I see a setup, I will call it out. So a little topic I want to talk to today about is routines, right? And how routines are such an essential part of your day-to-day life. Are essential to become good at something. And in Forex, and also like everything else in life, you have to have some sort of routine to keep your life going and working and to be performing at your best, right? And it's like that with everything, and mostly with Forex and with this trading that I do here. You have to basically wake up every day at the same time, do the same thing every single day, look for the same thing every single day. Try to eat good, put your mind in the right place. I mean, all these things influence, okay? Like if you had a really bad day and you're putting your emotions in the market, that could be a disastrous thing, because you start making impulsive decisions, you start overthinking, you start having anxiety and things like that. That you put that energy into trading and messes you up. I've been through there. I know a lot of people have been through there. People that are traders, they've been doing this for a long time. They've been through that and they know what I'm talking about. You have to create a routine. You have to create a time that you're here, and that's your time and that's your zone of the day to trade, and stay consistent with that. Don't drift. Don't start. Don't start uh, staying till 4 or 5 a.m. in the mornings in your computer with your eyes getting red, you know, then sleeping till the next day until like 1 p.m. I mean, don't do that, okay? Trust me, I've done it. I know it doesn't work. I did it for you guys. It doesn't work, okay? I tried it. So the markets are always gonna move. There's London, there's Asian session, there is New York. So depending on where you live, you have to choose which one you're gonna pick. The best ones are obviously London and New York. That's where the most of the volume comes in the market for the pair that I trade, which is GBP JPY. That's the pound and the yen. So also for my pair, it starts on London and continues to New York Session. So when New York Session NYC Open opens, which is 9:30, usually there's a lot of volume coming in the market. Also, some news comes out for GBP too, and also for US because you know it's the market open and we are in US, so that also impacts it in a certain way and brings some nice volumes and gives you some nice chances of getting in the market and making a lot of money. So if you try to repeat that same routine every single day, wake up, get in the charts, trade, do your trading, do your learning, practice it, do your analyze. Eventually, that consistency will start just clicking everything in your head. Okay, so everything in your head everything starts clicking, everything just feels right. You start being consistent, and that's gonna take you to the next level. So sometimes doing too much is bad. Okay, so if you trade London, Asian, New York, that is too much. If you're doing it just for educational purpose, that you are there just because you want to learn and see and go back in the charts and see back in time what happened and do your little research, that's fine. Yes, that's good. But if you're gonna trade, no. Okay? You're gonna have the worst time of your life. You're gonna lose all your profits. Trust me. You gotta pick one session. That's it. You don't need more. Now, that's just me. That's just me because of my experience. I know that doesn't work. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it has worked for someone else. But I don't think so, to be honest. I don't think so. Other than that, just waiting and seeing what happens here. So yeah. So I know what the problem is with my computer. It's not even my computer, it's literally my monitor. So since I have a 144 hertz monitor, my main monitor, and the second monitor I got is 60 hertz. That combination doesn't balance out, so my screen keeps like freezing every time. So yeah, I don't like that. So I think I'm just gonna have to get another monitor to make that work and return this one. No more options. I shouldn't know. I mean, how am I supposed to know? Whoa, okay. I wasn't even watching this. Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
Did news come out?
Yeah, right now.
Oh. Bro, this thing with the monitor has me like annoyed right now. I found out what it was. It was that the monitor that I got, the new one, is only 60 hertz. So the thing is, since it's only 60 hertz, it's it's having some problems here. So I gotta get a different one.
Wow, man.
Hey, by the way, Josue, welcome Sanders. This is Sanders. He was a baseball player. I played baseball with him in high school. Sanders, este es Josué, un amigo mío aquí. También
What's
que
up, bro?
está aquí, te está enseñando y eso.
Uh, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Oye, aquí todos somos cubanitos, ¿viste?
Entonces, bienvenido al mejor lugar para aprender.
Hola.
Ok, man, se sigue frizando esta mierda, bro. So I'm just gonna go over this real quick on YouTube, but I might leave the stream because everything's not working properly. I don't wanna be in it. So I'm just gonna keep everything on the Zoom and be with you guys. So I'm just gonna explain it real quick or to what I'm expecting for today, and then I'll move with you guys to talk about everything. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we just saw that I guess the news came out, and actually no, it hasn't come in the news at 8:30, but it's not a really impactful news. But we did see there was like some impulsive candles going down, but something that I like seeing now is that we did respect it and start closing back again to this range. So we didn't close below this range that we have created here. And what I'm seeing now
Yo, bro, I can't see your screen. Are you sharing your screen or?
This is in YouTube.
my screen is in YouTube. So I can put it like on both. So if you open YouTube, it'll be there too. Then when I finish, I'll put it in Zoom. Got it? Okay, so this 30-minute candle did close bullish, but we did have a really strong wick left behind, so it looks like we did grab some liquidity. We'll see if this candle now that behind, so it looks like we did grab some liquidity. Yeah, man, can you mute that? Can you mute yourself so I can like? Grab some. Can you mute that? Can you mute yourself so I can like? Thank you. So yeah, this 30-minute candle did close bearish. See, it keeps doing that. So basically what I'm expecting today is that we are probably gonna continue. If we respect this zone here, so basically it's the intraday highs that we made previously on the week. I mean, sorry, yesterday we made this. If we keep respecting and staying above, most likely candles are gonna keep closing bullish, and most likely we're gonna start breaking the highs that we made on London session. That's what I'm expecting for today. Other than that, we are in this little range here, So I'll be careful. Hopefully some volume comes to getting into the market very soon. Also, if you guys can see, 4-hour candle still open, and there's an hour left. So at 9 o'clock a new 4-hour candle opens. Usually when that happens, and 9 o'clock opens, and then NYC opens also, we have some volume in the market, and we usually have a break or something like that. So basically what I'm expecting is we stay around this level, or let's do it like this. So we stay here, a little bit here, and then break, come back, and then create a new high. It keeps freezing. So yeah, and then the overall target for today, if we do have some volume come in the market, the overall target target is right here. That's for today. Hopefully we get some volume in the market, and it gives it enough strength to keep going. So yeah, other than that, guys, manage your trades, be careful. We are not in a nice situation here. Candles are there, I mean, there is some nice movements, but it looks like this week New York Session has been a little bit slow, and that's okay. I mean, sometimes it's like that. There's a lot of volume in London Session. There's some nice moves in London Session, but New York Session has slowed down a little bit, and sometimes it's like that. Sometimes it's the opposite way. Sometimes New York is better, and it's okay. We have to live with that. Other than that, we don't know. I mean, there might be some nice trades coming up soon if we see this candle respect this zone and not entering again into the previous zone that we created yesterday. So basically this is what I'm looking at, right? So what I'm talking about zones, this is a zone, right? This is a zone, okay? And then this is a zone. So you have to start looking at charts as zones, right? So that gives you kind of an idea of like, it's like we're reaching something else, right? We're reaching a new target, we're reaching a new zone of trading. So right now we are inside of this one, right? Barely inside of this one, because we might get into this zone. So the reason that I like talking about that is it gives you a better idea of like, okay, if we come back again, it keeps freezing, bro. If we come back again into this zone, right, you can then be like, okay, looks like we are not gonna continue. Maybe candles want to grab some liquidity, test the lows that we made in the intraday, and from there either break and continue breaking for sells, or we respect again, grab some liquidity, candles start closing bullish, and we start heading back up. Okay, but let's see how candles start reacting again to this zone here, if it keeps respecting or not. Other than that, guys, I am sorry. My computer is not working properly right now, and I prefer to keep this going on soon. So I'll try to make sure to get everything ready for tomorrow and that everything's working properly. I don't know why this is doing this, but I gotta figure it out. Okay. So thank you, and and see you guys.